Good morning. Here we are at Poplar recreation ground. Chitting. Enjoy the nature. Beauty of nature. Wow. Let's walk towards Poplar DLS station. Sing, sing. New City College, Tower Hamlets is the borough of this area. This area belongs to Tower Hamlets, yeah. Leland House, Community Garden. Leland House, Willie's house, estate. Yes. JP Morgan, HSBC, EY, everything. Good to cross. Yeah. It's windy here, yes. We have to go towards this way. We have to cross the... Yeah, this is the DLR train. Let's go. We have lift, but I use stairs because it's a good exercise. Stretches at least. We came through this way, Hale Street. One more train. Zing zing. Yes, move on, move on. Yeah, these are the platforms. Oh my gosh. This is the entrance for Poplar station, DLR station. The one next to this. Poplar. Yes. You can see go to, and this is the Billingsgate fish market. So if you come early hours, then you can get some fresh fish. Oh, lots of construction work is going on. It's long way. That is the Crossrail Palace place. Oh, Marriott. Look at this. Lots of things, man. This way. Thank you. It was raining earlier. Yeah. Yeah, it's 30 speed road from here on. Diversion. Woo! We're going through West India Way, DLR station. Yes. After that we'll go towards Elizabeth Lane at Canary Wharf. Yeah. Police notice prohibited in tunnel, animals, pedestrians and pedal cycles. A place to connect, bringing people together to enhance lives on in the future. Thank you. Lots of construction work. We have to see what's coming up here. We can walk towards this way. This is the West India Quay station. This one is a Marriott hotel. Yeah. Right side one. Look at this apple. West India Quay. Quay, whatever it is, yeah. Now we are going towards Elizabeth Lane. Yeah, Canary Wharf, Elizabeth Lane. This is Market Halls. Look at this. You want to see this one, right? Like a shark. Zing zing. Commercial lab, it seems. Cycle stand here. Good. Look at this Canary Wharf. What's this? Yeah. Elizabeth Lane, because that Queen's color. It's time. Turn left. This is nice, right? There's a lot of nice restaurants here. Ippudu, yeah, sushi and ramen. Notes, good for coffee. Identify this one. What is this one? Wool Steam, Flying Tiger, Chai and Samosa, yes, the Breakfast Club. Nighttime this is really good. These will sparkle at night, during nights. Wolfman, the world. Nice town. Danish bakery, yeah, of course. Wallenstein is from Denmark. Franco Manca. Northwest Bank. Look at these beautiful lotus pots. think it's not time for blooming. That's why these are like this. They are cleaning. Yeah, some weed. I mean grass, of course. Yeah, this is Flying Tiger Copenhagen. From Copenhagen. It's nice. There are lots of kid stuff here. Hey, look at this. What? And here there is one more entrance to Elizabeth Lane, Canary Wharf. This left one. This is Canada Place. Look at this cute coffee one. Yeah, this is so nice, right? Color and it one. Yeah, this is the one. Canary Wharf. These are Santander bicycles. They'll charge per half an hour this much, like 1.5, something like that. It's really good deal. Dock stations. These are Santander dock stations. Here are a few of them because it's morning time. Yeah, again, this is the Billingsgate Fish Market. Yeah. We cross the road and docks as well. That's why we are here. We are going towards Wharf. Yes. Here we have Dishoom, Emily's, Feels Like June, Patty and Bun. Yeah, Roy, Brewdog, everything is here. Yes. Yeah, that is the Brewdog. And this is Barclays. Huge one. I think, yeah, we can't see the name. That's okay. I can see later. Walk straight. Good navigation everywhere. Here we have Morrison's, I think. Waitrose or Morrison's, yeah. Waitrose, Canary Wharf. This is one entrance, other side, the main entrance. Yes. Some construction, remodeling. Here we have Amazon Fresh as well, store. Yeah. Let's go. The weather is good today. Yeah, I agree. Thanks to weather. Hawksmoor. Oh my god. Winter lights. Yeah, this is the time for winter lights actually. Yes, Canada Place again. Hawksmoor, yeah. Let's go up. Yeah, this is the one. This is Amazon Fresh, Hawksmoor. Behind this we have Dishoom, Feels Like June, restaurants. Let's go. Gosh, yeah. Yeah. These are the lights. These are meant for lights, I think. Yeah. Nighttime these are good. Winter lights, yes. In meeting other video. Thank you. Bye bye. This is Canary Wharf, Jubilee line.